Hi, I'm Will Solly, and this is my face tracking instrument for assignment 3 of interactive systems design. So this instrument is made with 3 different programs. So the first one is Face OSC, which I'm on right now. As you can see, it's tracking my face. And the second, this is where like the input of the data comes from. So the input is sent into Max 7. This is a program that converts the data into different outputs and then gets sent to Ableton. This is the process step of my project, and then Ableton Live is where the output is produced. So yeah, this is where what makes the music, makes the noises. So throughout this assignment, I learned a lot about Ableton, especially because I'd never used it, and Max. So I was very happy to learn a lot and be able to take away lots of programming advice and stuff like that. So yeah, with my program, my system, it runs with 5 different sensors. So the first one is the pitch. I'll show you what that does. So the pitch is, I'll turn it on first. So the pitch is up or down movements of the head, and it makes a piano noise. So this one constantly plays in the background. And then we've got the yaw. So the yaw is like, so I made the yaw the sideways movements. So when it's on this side, it does a slow beat. When it's in the middle, it does nothing. So that's just so that when it's in the middle, it doesn't have to make any noises. And then when it's on the other side, it's a really, really fast beat. So that's my yaw. My third one is the mouth width. So for the mouth width, you just smile. So I really like this one because it's really easy to work and it works really well. It also, you're able to like hold your mouth open for wider, for longer times, and it holds the noise. So, and as soon as you shut your lips, the noise turns off, which I really like. My fourth one is the mouth height. So when you open your mouth, it makes a bass noise. And the same with the last one, how if you open your mouth for longer, it stays there. And my last one is my eyebrow height. So when you raise your eyebrows, it does a hi-hat. Yeah, so let's turn that off. So I didn't use some of the other sensors. So there's roll, there's eye openness and jaw openness and nostril flaring, but I found they're really hard to track. So if I do the rolls like this, so if you tilt your head like that, see how it loses track of your face? So I found that was really hard to track the roll, and the eye openness and jaw openness was just not a wide enough range of data for any sort of output. A few other things that I found pretty challenging was if so when you're trying to track your face, it's a lot harder to for the Face OSC to track your face if you have lighting from behind. So if the lighting is above or front on, then it's a lot better. That's one main issue I found with this program. And if I was to further develop this program, I would make it more accessible for more people. So I would make it into an app or a website, and this would just make it more accessible. I would also make it so you can edit like the different noises from the different face movements. So yeah, so it becomes a bit more like more changeable sort of thing. Yeah. So this is my instrument. Hope you enjoyed it.